This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Front brake pads renewal. Select first gear and apply the handbrake. Using the locking wheel nut adapter where necessary, slacken each of the front wheel nuts half a turn. Position the jack head under the front subframe jacking point, then raise the vehicle until the wheels are clear of the ground. Position the axle stands under the sill jacking points, then lower the jack. Fully unscrew the nuts and remove the wheel. Using a spanner to hold the guide pin, undo and remove the lower guide pin bolt. Pivot the caliper upwards and slide the upper guide pin from the bracket. Secure the caliper to the spring to prevent straining the fluid hose. Remove the outer and inner brake pads. Remove all 4 shims. Clean the pad mounting surfaces using aerosol brake cleaner and a soft brush. Don't forget to clean the caliper and shims. Measure the thickness of the brake pad friction material. If any pad is worn down to 2 mm or less, all 4 front pads must be renewed. Push the piston back into the caliper using a retraction tool. Keep an eye on the brake fluid level in the reservoir. Fit the lower and upper, inner and outer shims. Fit the wear indicator to the pad if applicable. Apply a thin layer of high temperature grease to the contact area on the pad backing plates. Take great care not to allow any grease onto the friction material or disc faces. Fit the pads into the caliper mounting bracket, ensuring the friction material is against the disc face. Apply a little grease to the upper guide pin, then refit the caliper and lower it over the pads. Refit the lower guide pin bolt and tighten it to the specified torque. Make sure the guide pin gaiters are seated correctly. Depress the brake pedal repeatedly until the pads are pressed into firm contact with the brake disc and normal, non-assisted pedal pressure is restored.